Full-time meal this week is rainbow halloumi couscous. Now that sounds incredibly exotic, doesn't it? Well, you're gonna need vegetable stock cube, a pinch of spice I'm gonna be using for heater seasoning, frozen char-grilled Mediterranean vegetables, halloumi cheese, sugar, vinegar, lemon juice, couscous. Couscous, I hear you ask. What is it? Well, I tell you what it is. You haven't got to be posh just to like couscous. Anybody can like couscous and anyone can eat it. Couscous is for everyone. The equipment you're gonna need: frying pan, bowl, knife, wooden spoon, fork, and of course, your favourite mug. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna measure out 1.5 mugfuls of plain couscous. Couscous is an amazing ingredient. Then on top, a nice little pinch of the seasoning. Put a vegetable stock cube into the mug. Now, we've got 1.5 mugs of dried couscous. So we're gonna need 2 and a bit, 2 1/4 mugs of stock. Once the stock cube is dissolved, we're then gonna pour the mug of stock into the couscous and then 1.25 mugs more of hot water. And just give it a kind of stir around and then plate on the top, leave it to one side. The next thing to go with it is the rainbow vegetables and halloumi cheese. Now, I love halloumi cheese. It's known as squeaky cheese in our house. Get yourself a bit of kitchen roll or blue roll, dry it, okay? Then cut it into bite-sized cubes. A little splash of veg oil in the pan. Cheese goes in. Give it a flip around, turn it around gently. Try and get some kind of even brown colour all the way around it until it looks like that. And then measure out 2.5 mugs of frozen char-grilled vegetables. Once the veg is in, you can practice your mad veg flipping skills. That'd be really nice in slow motion. I mean, look at that. How lovely does that look? You've got lovely little burnt, charred bits from the veg and all these kind of like bittersweet flavours you get from cooking things on quite a high heat. And what we're going to do to that is give it a bit of a zing. So, a pinch of sugar in, but then also a big splash of vinegar. Gives this lovely glaze to everything. Put a little splash of lemon juice. That's it. It's done. Couscous. Lid off, and then get your fork, fluff it all up. I mean, this isn't even cooking, is it? It is easier than making a cup of tea. And then get a plate, empty it all out, then get your veggies all over the couscous. And there we go. That serves 6 people. Absolutely delicious. Get in there, guys. Go on, give it a go. Let me see how you get on using the hashtag #FullTimeMeals and follow our page for loads more recipes.